Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 2 projects a week coming out to you now and into Christmas. Oh, it's December. I don't know what number we're on. We're a long way in because, 25 projects, there's loads of them. This is today's project. This little guy here holds a packet of Lotus Biscoff. So these are slightly larger than average. These are coming in at, I don't know, where's my ruler? Lost my ruler. I don't know where my ruler is. Let me measure it on here. They are coming in at 3 inches long, so 7.5 centimetres. They're a little bit longer than average. I picked mine up in, I don't know, Home Bargains or the Range, and I just wanted to make a sort of cracker style treat, but without it being an actual cracker. So I pulled out the rose gold and gold metallic shimmer paper, which is shimmery and pretty. And so this is the rose gold and this is the gold. And they're so easy to make, they really are. So just cut your width down to less than you need. I mean, I didn't want this wrapping round and round and round and round. I just wanted to trim it down. So I cut this down to, I think, 4.5 inches. So, about 11.5, 12 centimetres, just trim it down just so that you haven't got loads of excess paper. And that it's going round and round. And, oh, do you know what I probably ought to do? I probably ought to stamp my gnome and let him dry. So, which gnome shall I have? Which one did I use? I used that one before. I quite like this one. He's quite cute. Yeah, I've got lots of detail that I can colour there. So this is Memento, which is the one that you would use if you're working with blends. And I'm just going to get my little mini cut and emboss, and I'm going to get my plates. Why are there only 2 plates? Oh no, there's the third. I'm just going to hack that off because I don't need those. Let's get a little gnome out. So, is it that one? It is. Oh, that was a good guess. So I've got some de-stickified washi here. I've used it before, so it's not too sticky now. And send that through. Don't put it down on top of the dimensionals, I'm going to need them. Recycle my washi. I've got a board up there and it's sitting on that. Put the gnome away because I don't want to lose him, and I'm just going to pop that up there to dry. Right, well, what did I do with my stuff? Oh, it's under here. It's all bonkers here. Right, so I put this down here, and then I want to put some more on these 2 ends. So it's kind of a, oh, what do they call it? Sour cream pouches. I haven't made one of those for ages. Or sour cream container. Kind of like that, but not. It's a flat version. So, over there. And it's just like wrapping. Oh, it's like wrapping Christmas presents. Yes, it is. I wonder if my dad's available to wrap Christmas presents again this year. Must ask him. And then you go in with your paper piercer. Pull out the tape and just squish. And the same over here. And again, squish. And there's a little bit hanging off there, so I'm just going to trim that off. And that is cute. It's simple, isn't it? Right, let me get some ribbon on here. So I went with this lovely Blushing Bride. I don't really know what fabric it is, but it's nice. but I'm going to go with this gold, what is it called? Satin edged ribbon. I just wanted to go gold. I thought gold is, you know, can't go wrong with gold, can you? And it's cute and it's Christmas and, you know, you can absolutely theme them. I mean, God, these would be good on a Christmas table. I know I did a table favour bag on Monday, but this would be nice as like an after dinner treat, or maybe, maybe if you've got guests coming to stay over Christmas, leave, you know, let's not have chocolates on pillows, let's have biscuits on pillows, or maybe just even a little selection of these on, you know, if you've got a nicely laid out coffee cart or even a hot chocolate cart or something like that. Just prettily laid out. The bow is for aesthetics. It's all about aesthetics. I don't need to put a biscuit in a pretty package. I like to put a biscuit in a pretty package. Why not? Right. Let me zoom in and no doubt probably forget to zoom back out again. This is me we're talking about. Right, what colours am I going for? I fancy purple. What purple is that? That's Highland Heather. And that one is Fresh Freesia. I'm going to go with Highland Heather and a green. Mint macaron, or is that? Yes. I think that's quite a nice trio. So I'm going to go dark just around the edges of our gnome's hat. And he's a sensible guy, his gloves match. And then in a bit more with a light, just again round the edge. And it's just, blends are so easy to work with. You just go round and round and round and round and eventually fill up the bit in the middle. There's nothing sciencey at all about it. And I'm just going to do a little bit more with the dark, just to get a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, detail, shading. So that's my Highland Heather done. And then we're going to give him mint macaron pockets in the dark. You can just about see those poking out. And then light. Do we think he might be wearing like dungarees or overalls or coveralls, whatever you call them where you are? We think, yeah. I think that's cute. And then we're going to have some light smoky slate for his beard. And I want the light basic black for his shoes. I'm going to give him a bright pink nose because I can. And mouth. And hurrah, I remembered to zoom back out again. I'm going to pop that on the front with a couple of dimensionals. So cute. Seriously, I don't need to put biscuits inside packages like this. I love the fact that I can, and I reckon, you know, oh, I've got a glass vase and it's a square cube. It literally is a cube, but obviously the top is open. And a bunch of these stacked in that next to a hot chocolate bar. Perfect. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.